I'm Mickey and I'm going to be showing you how to make a cupboard workstation. Where you don't have a room to call an office, figuring out where to put your desk can be a serious problem. If you're willing to sacrifice some storage space, then the closet can be your solution. To create a cupboard workstation, you will need a circular saw, tape measure, a square, hole saw, drill driver, drill bits, flathead screwdriver, leg plates, legs for the bench top, sanding paper, sanding block, level, clamps, cable duct, and the bench top. First things first, make sure you clear out your cupboard. Now that we've emptied our cupboard space, we're going to measure up the inside of the cupboard to get the right dimensions. Now that we've got our dimensions, we're going to go outside and measure and cut our bench top. Mark up your panel with a pencil to the size required. Set your panel up with a clamp using a hand or circular saw to make the cut. Ask a friend to hold the panel steady for you while you make the cut. Once you've made your cut, it's important to sand back the edges to make them nice and smooth. Flip the panel upside down and position the leg plates in the desired location. Once your leg plates are in the desired location, mark the holes with a pencil. Once you've marked your holes for the leg plates, pre-drill the holes for the pilot screws. It's important not to drill the hole all the way through the timber. This is just to ensure that it won't crack. Once your pilot holes are drilled, return the leg plates into position and fix into place. Now that your leg plates are in, you can simply screw in the legs. Cables can often get in the way when you're working around a desk, so an easy way around this is with a cable duct. Use an 80mm hole saw to drill your hole for your cable duct. Now that we've drilled our hole, we're ready to pop in the cable duct. And there you have it, a cheap, easy, minimalist solution for your home office needs.